Do you want to create a hot handbag style that's going to be trending in 2025? In this video, we'll be exploring the top 5 handbags for 2025 and matching them with patterns that I've found and fabrics from my stash. So if that's something that takes your fancy, let's delve into the trending bags of 2025 together. Hi there, I'm Christine the Gemini Stitcher and welcome to my little sewing space. If you're new here, welcome to the Crazy Sewing Gang, and if you've stuck around and you've bobbed on a rainy Thursday in Lancashire, welcome. I love that you follow me, I love that you keep commenting. So comment, like and subscribe if you've not done already. So 2025, I've been down a rabbit hole looking at bag styles. If you follow me already, you'll know that I recently made a handbag, one that I would call a proper bag. It was made out of pleather. Just grab it here. This is the one that I made. And it's the first bag that I've made that I could honestly, hand on heart, say it looks shop bought. It was made with pleather. It's got a little zip top, It's got a little zip top, and I've matched the inner fabric with the front fabric. And it's a little crossbody bucket style bag. It's the Toulouse bag from CountryCowDesigns, and I will put the link and the details in the description below if you want to replicate it. So I'm on a bag journey in 2025 and I just thought I would take you on it with me. I've had a little bit of experience making bags, and I've got some of them proudly displayed behind me. Some of the bags that I've made are noodle head bags, and I've made the crescent tote, which is there at the back, and hiding here is the oxbow tote, which is a weekend bag. I love that one, use it loads. And I've made quite a few of this one, which is the Harrelson bag, which is a crossbody bag. And then this is the first CountryCowDesign bag that I've made, and I absolutely love it. And I've got the book. So I thought, rather than just randomly make patterns that I see and look challenging, which is great, I would also look into what is going to be trending in 2025 and try and replicate them. So we've got 5 bags and 5 patterns to make them in. Oversized bags are always popular, aren't they? And they're gonna be mega in 2025. Now, I have had a look at all the different variations of oversized bags, and my favourite by far is the doctor style bag. Why a doctor's bag? It's got a stylish big silhouette, striking details on it, and you can fit loads of stuff in it, from your laptop, your phone, your camera. If you're going to a sewing retreat, you can fill all your haberdashery items in it for your retreat. It's like Mary Poppins, isn't it, with the carpet bag, keep pulling things out. So doctor's bag, got to have one of those. And the pattern that I've picked is from Swoon Patterns, and it's their Nora doctor's bag. An image of the Nora bag will be popping up somewhere here. Yeah, gotta say I really like the idea of doing this bag. It's got 3 different size options, which means it covers all the bases. I'm tempted to do the biggest one first because, let's face it, Go big or go home is my motto. And I think it's going to be a meaty make, but an enjoyable one too. The Nora bag opens wide, but it's got no expensive frame inside, so it's affordable doctor's bag making, which is brilliant. And it's also got a large zip pocket in the lining as well, so extra storage there. So what fabrics do I think I'm going to do the Nora in? Now I thought Mary Poppins carpet bag, but it's a doctor's bag, but you get my drift. So the fabric that I've chosen, I've had for a while. I got it when I went to Birmingham, middle of last year, and it's this beautiful multicoloured fabric. I don't know why I've not made anything in it. I just think I've never found the right pattern. But that doctor's bag, large style, and I might do a smaller one to match as well because I've got a fair bit of this fabric. But we need some contrast to go with it, and I've got the perfect pleather. What do we think of that? Now, this pleather was a bargain from the scrappage scheme in Farsley the first time we went, and it's been languishing in my stash for, it'll be a year in April, so it needs to be rescued and made into the Nora doctor's bag. So they're my two choices for that one. Daytime clutches. Now this is on my radar. It's great, isn't it, to have something that's big enough to fit my iPad in and my phone and everything, but not be huge. And the daytime oversized clutch bag fits the bill perfectly. It can be fun and bold in bright colours, or you can pare it back, have it more subdued and be more office style. I think I prefer the fun and bright, to be honest. So what bag have I found to make my oversized clutch in? It's the Captivating Clutch from Mrs. H Patterns. There is the Captivating Clutch. So what caught my eye with this particular clutch bag? It's going to be large enough to carry my iPad in, but small enough to look chic and sophisticated. There's the option of adding a strap to it as well, which I think I will probably do, and then it gives me more bang for my buck. Multiple pockets inside, perfect for squirreling away all my bits and bobs. And that double flap detail on the front, you could play around with that forever, couldn't you? So what fabrics have I chosen to make the Captivating Clutch out of? I've still got some of this beautiful floral pleather left over out of my 12 Days of Advent box from Studio 77. So I might make a really classy, simple looking one in that, because it's not plain, it's got pattern in it, and I think it will look great in that. And then the plain detail with it, go for a black contrast. So I've got some black pleather that I can use. So I could either do it in black with the sage green accent flap, or do it the other way around. It depends how much fabric I've got left. But they're definitely on my radar for the Captivating Clutch. Do you want a bag that feels like a cosy hug? Well, the bucket bag is the one for you. You can dress it up or down and make it in a soft fabric for that laid back feel. So what pattern have I found? Oh, the best pattern. I've been looking at this pattern for quite a while, to be honest. And it's the Deyjon bag pattern from CountryCowDesigns. There's the Deyjon bag. How stunning is that? You can have it with the eyelets or without. I think I would have it with the eyelets just to push my skill boundaries a little bit further. And yeah, I love the zip detail on the front of it because I've got some fantastic continuous zippers that I can use and zipper pulls. So what fabric do I think I want to make the Deyjon bucket bag in? It's a difficult one. I'm sort of thinking to make it in a softer fabric. This is a suede finish fabric. It's a little bit lighter weight than the pleathers, but you can add foam and structure to it with interfacing, and I think it will be absolutely fine. So I'm thinking of doing the Deyjon bag in some of that chocolate brown and do it all one colour. And I might even try adding some tassels to it because tassels are still all the rage. So watch this space. Deyjon bag, tassel option, a possibility. Who'd thought the next one was going to be a suede bag? Well, the Deyjon bag fits into that category nicely, doesn't it? But why are suede bags popular or going to be popular this year? There's something about the texture of a suede bag that transforms it from a simple bag to an elegant, chic, stylish bag. Whether you make it in rich browns or vibrant colours, in suede, it's all on trend. And the pattern that I've chosen for my suede bag is the Lomexa bag from CountryCowDesigns. There's an image of it. How stunning is that? Oh, to die for. Loving the zip design on the front. I've got a little bit of a thing for slanting zips, have you noticed? But yeah, I'm loving the idea of that. And it's a decent size bag, is this. It's 11 inches tall by 12 inches wide by 6 inches deep at the bottom. So it's a bit of a TARDIS of a bag and really, really stunning, done in the right fabric. And I think a velvet would make that a standout bag. So again, I may do that in the brown velvet, or I might go on the hunt for some vibrant green or a popping pink. That would look amazing, wouldn't it, for the summer? If you know anywhere that's got popping pink, fuchsia pink, suede look fabric, then let me know. I'll be all over it like a rash. But this next bag is one that hasn't been on my radar, but the more I've jumped into the rabbit hole, the more I like them, and it's the East-West bag. They're called the East-West bag because they're wider than they are tall. So it has a unique horizontal shape that sets it apart from traditional designs. It's a chic, modern accessory with practicalities and stylish to die for. So what pattern have I chosen for the last of our bags? I've gone to CountryCowDesigns again because their bags, I'm loving all of them, but I've tried to use other bag companies as well, so I've gone to Swoon as well a little bit. So we're going to use the cute purse bag from CountryCowDesigns. There's an image of the cute purse bag. Now this is their new bag pattern, and there's a sew along for this one at the end of January if you're interested in that, a live sew along. Might have to join in that one maybe, get all my notions together and get cracking. So what size is this bag? It's only 6 inches tall by 11.5 inches wide by 2 3/4 inches deep. So it's a wide, slim bag which fits the bill for the East-West bag perfectly. The only thing it's not got that I quite like on the East-West bag is I like the big looping handle that some of them have. I'll try and pop an image of one up and then you know what I'm talking about, a big looping handle. So maybe I will try and add those to it instead of the strap, or as well as, we'll see. So what fabrics am I going to use for my East-West bag? I want to go down the pleather route again. And I want to use some pleather that I got in one of my Studio 77 subscription boxes. It's a ripple effect of leather, and I think as a long wide bag that will look really effective. But the bag that I'm making has got those front pockets on it, so I'm going to stick to it all in black, and I'm going to do the front pockets in the plain pleather, but the majority of the bag in the ripple black leather. And I'm going to try and do those handles in the plain black. Wish me luck with that one. So there we go. 5 bags for inspiration that I'm going to be making this year. Now, the fabrics I use may change, but I am definitely going to make those 5 bags at some point this year. So I hope I've given you some inspiration and open your eyes to some new bag styles maybe. Let me know, are you a seasoned bag maker and have you made some of these bags, or are you still learning like me and want to hit the ground running like I am and grab the challenge by the scruff of the neck and get bag making under your belt in 2025. I'm going to go now and decide my next bag adventure. So keep your eyes peeled next Monday, because there might be one in my plans on my Monday vlog. And if you don't know what I'm meant to be doing this week, pop back and have a look at last Monday's and see what plans I'm meant to be doing this week. And guess what? It's not bag making. Oops.